चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा,
बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
ख्वाबों के दिन, वो किताबों के दिन, वो ख्वाबों के दिन, वो किताबों के दिन, सवालों की रातें जवाबों के दिन। कई साल हमने गुजारे यहाँ, यहीं साथ खेले हुए हम जवां, हुए हम जवां। था बचपन बड़ा आशिकाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा। बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
बिछड़ेंगे मर के भी हम दोस्तों, ना बिछड़ेंगे मर के भी हम दोस्तों। हमें दोस्ती की कसम दोस्तों, पता कोई पूछे तो कहते हैं हम, एक दूजे के दिल में रहते हैं हम, रहते हैं हम। नहीं और कोई ठिकाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा।
Everybody come a welcome, welcome to the party, come a welcome, welcome. There's another cup for everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody come a welcome, welcome to the party, come a welcome, welcome. There's another cup for everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody come a welcome, welcome to the party, come a welcome, welcome. There's another cup for everyone, welcome, welcome.
जब तेरे हम मस्ती का मौका है क्यों खुद को रोका है don't you really wanna इश्क आता ये नशा चख ले जरा जरा कल का किसे पता आजा मेरे संग नच ले तू नच ले जरा जरा दिल का करूं मैं क्या तुझ पे ये मर मिटा मुझको ना अब सता आजा मेरे संग नच ले तू नच ले जरा जरा
मस्ती का मौका है क्यों खुद को रोका है don't you really wanna come
Everybody come and welcome. To the party, come and welcome. There's another one for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody come and welcome. To the party, come and welcome. There's another one for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Welcome back to school seems to be for her. Welcome back to school.
See that? That all new building play.
Ground time.
ये स्टेज यही है स्टेज
Now it's become small. And big is
this one is the stage there was an old dispensary at this place now देखो मैं dispensary was there
यहाँ आगे फोटो होगी
ठीक है फोटो हाँ
ये तो open है, जालियन नहीं था, अभी
बंदरों के प्रिंसिपल रूम वही है अभी भी
हम बताते जाएंगे क्या क्या
ये स्टाफ रूम था
हुआ था यहाँ वॉशरूम होता था
अभी भी है
स्टाफ का वॉशरूम है ये क्लास
चलो के लिए ये 6 स्टैंडर्ड तक की क्लास को जा रहे थे ना 6 में यहाँ तक ऊपर पहुँच गया था 7 से 8 फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे था होने वाला था नहीं वो सामने वाला कमरा था
और इफ एनीवन उस खिड़की के ऊपर एक फ्रॉक का डिसेक्शन हुआ था वो फ्रॉक में पकड़ के लाया था और इधर से नहीं देख पा रहे थे लोग उधर से जाके विंडो से देख रहे थे डिसेक्शन कौन सी टीचर की थोड़ी थी सिस्टर ऑस्टिन
हेलो जी वो पढ़ाती थी भटनागर
म्यूजिक टीचर थी
ना साइंस में ज्योलॉजी भटनागर है श्रीवास्तव यहाँ पे ना वो कराती थी
वो एक बार नाराज हुई थी नहीं कोई और बात थी बहुत भीड़ स्टाफ में डिस्कस हुए थे कि ये लोग ऐसा करते हैं
बायो टीचर
बायो टीचर डोजलिंग का क्या है
सिस्टर डेजी आगे में सिस्टर पंकराज आ गई सिस्टर पंकराज आ गई हमारी सिस्टर और सिस्टर दी कम हियर अब पहचान लिया सिस्टर पंकराज को? सिस्टर डेजी हो गई अब।
Sister, I don't think, but I am Anurag Asrana. I was a student from Model Studies.
राजीव सक्सेना, great to meet you. I will definitely.
Abhay Pratap. Abhay, do you remember Anita and Abhay? My sister, she was my sister. Anita and I.
But you don't look it. And no.
Yeah, we are together.
He's my husband. Okay. He's my
I'm in Bombay. And we all converged here only because of SSC conference. Otherwise, there was no occasion to come here.
Planning for 1 month or 2 months to meet you. What a way from Jaipur.
Yes, all. Only to be here in this
Hey, right.
This is Amna. We still got in touch with her.
You are not leaving there. She's in Bareilly, I believe.
But you are here, sister?
Where is Sister Jeremy? You are our first principal. No more. You are our first principal. My face, Rajiv Rathore. You visited so many times to our home. His father Vijay was there. Now he is in Bareilly. He is in Nagpur. Jenny was telling me that. नहीं, brother थे वो. नहीं, father थे. At that time वो कोडार्ड में है. तुमसे पास ही अभी. दिल्ली जाने को जाओ. At that time मुझसे एक बार सुनिए. Today we will go to the section also.
Very hard one. Take photo to this one.
आप जो है ना इधर आ जाओ फोटो में
एकदम गरम और ठंड पता ही नहीं चल रहा. इंस्पेक्शन करने आए. तब आते थे ध्यान है.
हाँ आते थे
तुम्हें ध्यान है हिंदू के अंदर में हुआ तो हम लोगों ने गाड़ो खोल दिया.
हाँ वहाँ खड़े और थे
याद है. में आया 68 में नीचे वाली बिल्डिंग को क्यों ऊपर वाला आ गया इधर हॉस्टल था वो संजय चौहान और पूरे उसकी मालूम क्या थी उनकी हो गया उसके बाद सेकंड का एक हो जाता था और उसके बाद उससे तो मुलाकात करानी है वो तो यही है ना हाँ
Welcome you all here today to the SSC primary section, and I request you all to please have your seats. Give a huge round of applause, students, for respecting the Give a huge round of applause for these wonderful people amongst us. It's really great and a proud moment for us seeing you over here, because it not only motivates us, even will guide them, seeing you towards the right path. Thank you, sirs and nuns. This is a great day we are having here to see you here. So, just as a token of love, we are going to offer you in the form of lovely flowers. As you know, their fragrance spread all over as your fragrance is spreading all over the society. Thank you, and please do receive this honor from our side. I request Dr. Rajiv sir to please come forward. Mrs. Neetu Agarwal, ma'am. She has served the administration of the nation. She is a retired IAS officer. Seeing you is really great, ma'am. Thank you. I request Mr. and Mrs. Pawan Agarwal to please come forward. Mr. Rajiv Saxena, sir. So please do the same. Mr. Abhay Pratap Singh, sir. He is retired from IFCO. Mr. Moonchak, sir. Familiar face to all of us. Yes, it's very much familiar to us. This uniform which you are wearing.
He is not retired.
He is not retired and you will not. But at retirement I have something to say.
Not tired also.
Mr. Devendra Bhushan, sir. Mr. Sandeep Goyal, sir. Mr. Anurag Asthana, sir. As mentioned, he has retired from RBI, but as Nam said for Kunjan sir that he has not yet retired, but for us as well, you all are also not retired. Actually, retirement is not an end, it's a beginning of a new journey, I guess, after a tough schedule and everything. That's why I really never like to say retire. So it's the new journey that you have entered in, and I think you all are having it so well. So once again, give a huge round of applause for everyone. Now I request you to please have some, not few words, I won't say like that. It will be quite formal. I just wanted to request you to please have some discussions with the little ones, which will guide them for sure in their journey. So please.
I really don't know what to say. I am so overwhelmed, and I've waited for this moment for so many years. Always left ETA in 1977 and the school in 1977, and thereafter I never had a chance to come back to this place. But it has always been on my mind and in my heart. So it's a very, very overwhelming moment for me. And I'm also very happy that one of my favorite teachers, Sister Daisy, she's here with us today. It's such a blessing to be with her. What do I say to you, young children? You know, you are like my grandkids. I have a grandson who is 5 years old now. So you all are maybe another 4-5 years older to him. But these are the best years of your life. You will always remember them. So study hard, play harder, do well in studies as well as all other extracurricular activities. And of course, obey your parents, obey your teachers, because that is what is going to make you successful in life. staff also. Heartfelt thanks to you for having organized all this. All of us are really touched. Thank you.
Dr. Rajiv.
Hello, I'm myself Rajiv Rathore. I'm still in the teaching profession. I'm still in the teaching profession. And we have met our sister who has taught us, Sister Pankraj. And all the teachers who are present in this hall, I welcome. And to the kids also, the students also, good morning. As our colleague has told that you have to work hard to achieve your goal in your life. But whatever your goal is, it has to be decided initially. And you have to work hard in that direction. All the best wishes to you all. And I think that you will do and achieve your goals in your life. Thanks.
Good morning to all. I am Rajiv Saxena. I studied in this school from 2nd to 5th standard, from 1970 to 1977. We passed out and we moved ahead in our lives. Children, it is just like visiting our childhood. By looking at you, we were your age or maybe young. I think we are students are from 3rd, 4th and 5th standard. We can see ourselves amongst you. I would just say that dream big in life, nothing is impossible. And if you work hard, stay focused, you can achieve anything. Our batch of 1977, I think all of us have done very well in our lives, and our best wishes to all of you that you will do wonderfully well in the future. Thank you all.
Hello. Good morning to all the teachers and my students. I am Abhay. I joined in 1968 when this building was built. And I, Rajiv Rathore and Sanjeev Goel started our journey from this school only. Till 1977. We used every nook and corner of this ground. So I would like you to play and study. The best thing, we have football, cricket, we all learned here. Even badminton, we all played here with Rajiv and we all. So I wish you a very bright future. You all are very intelligent and you will do well in the future also, I think. Thank you.
Good morning, principal, sisters, and teachers, and my dear students. See, the moment I stepped into this school, I felt myself like a small boy of 11 or 12 years. And seeing you all welcoming us, clapping for us, I mean, it was so overwhelming. I hope no one saw me writing in tears. And like Abhay said, this ground, it wasn't paved. So we used to play here, cricket, badminton, every game you could think of. The stage was not there, and there we used to have our jhulas, etc.
Sister Pankraj.
But I tell you, you already have a head start in life because you are studying at SSC competition. We did not realize when we were in this school that we are, getting a leg up as far as the education is concerned. But I could say that our 14 years at SSC Convent School, they were very formative and they really launched us into a better career. I hope all the very best for all of you. And many years after, you would like to come back to school, remember the old students who have come and talked to you, and you would be speaking to the younger generation when you come back after completing and my respect to all the teachers here. Thank you so very much.
Respected Principal Madam, Mr. Pankaj, all the staff of the school, and my dear children. बाकी तो भी बाकी हमारे सब साथियों ने काफी कुछ बोल दिया है। अब मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ बेटा अच्छी बताओ आप लोग बड़े मजा आता है कितना को आता है हाँ वेरी गुड खेलने में कितना को मजा आता है अच्छा खेल ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है पढ़ाई अच्छी लगती है वेरी गुड अच्छा को करिकुलर एक्टिविटी में कितने लोग हिस्सा लेते हैं डांस ड्रामा तो बेटा जिंदगी में पढ़ाई तो जरूरी है लेकिन पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेलना भी जरूरी है और को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करना भी बहुत जरूरी है उससे आपकी ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी में डेवलपमेंट है आप चाहे ड्रामा करिए डिबेट करिए गाना गाइए म्यूजिक सीखिए whatever you like do it but whatever you do it with compassion पूरा मन लगा दिल लगा okay and just understand that there is no shortcut in life to success you have to do the hard work is the key to success तो जो भी करो दिल से करो अब मन लगा all the best
Sister Daisy, principals and staff. मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा क्योंकि आप लोग सब लोग बच्चे लोग मुझे जानते हो क्यों भाई नहीं ये बोलो भाई कुछ तो नहीं जानते हो ये गलत बात है मैं भी इन्हीं लोगों के साथ पढ़ा हुआ हूँ और मैं एटा के ही रहने वाला हूँ शायद ये जो यूनिफॉर्म आप लोग खरीद रहे हैं वो शायद मेरी दुकान से आती है पहचान लिया अब तो हाथ ऊपर कर लो
फ्री में दिया होता सब पहचानते
अरे फ्री में भी करो तो बच्चों बढ़िया है ना अच्छा लग रहा है सब लोगों को वेरी गुड ऑल द बेस्ट
Actually, my heart is full, so I can't find words to express my feelings, the feelings of joy and satisfaction that I feel now. When I see all the students who yesterday was long back, now I still remember those days, and then we had only few numbers, few students in the class, and so the relationship between the teachers and the students. And that closeness we kept up. And that's a sign that they are here. They are from different parts of India. Some are from Jaipur, some from different places. And you know, they were all here once like you, studying in this SSC College School, young boys and girls. And now they have become great men. Some are IAS officers, some are doctors, some are this and that, doing big things in life. So they are here to give you a push, to encourage you, to instill you to inspire you something great in life, to become great in life. That should be your inspiration, your aim in life. Somebody to the world, to your brothers and sisters, to be good to others, being kind to others. Understand? These people should be inspiration for you to become like them. Now they are
So they are making their life beautiful. See, Mother Teresa once said, my aim in life is to give back something beautiful to God. God has given us life, and she proved that she lived a life so that her life becomes something very beautiful before God. So that should be your aim. Live the life beautiful before God and before others. Be good for others, be kind for others, be love for others, and be considerate to others, especially to the poor and the downtrodden and those who are not in the life of life. When you become great in life, when you grow in life, have that aim in life. To be somebody good. This is what I am telling you. And this is what the inspiration these students, what should I say? They are an inspiration for you. They should be inspiration for you. That's why they have come here to meet you. To express their experiences in life. So good children, good people, and be kind to others and be great in life. Great men and women of our country. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You must be decided. Yes, you must know what place you have to hit. You should not hit in any direction, but in the direction where you have to reach. Your goal must be decided. Sir said, पढ़ना तो ज़रूरी है, खेलना भी ज़रूरी है. So there must be a balance of play and study. So thank you very much all of you for giving such inspirational words to them. Words, I think you are live examples in front of them. As sister said, they were like you only, so you can be like them as well. Correct? They were like you, so as you can also be like them. And for that, what's the mantra? Hard work. That's great, students. Thank you everyone for taking out such time for us from your precious and busy schedule. Thank you very much, all of you. Once again, give a huge round of applause for all the attending here this morning. Thank you very much. Thank you, sister, for calling them and giving these students chance to see. Thank you, sister.
आ जाओ तो So you have not got, but still you are giving the tickets to the members.
So when was this building constructed?
About 28 years.
2000 से चले हो.
2000.
And what would be the strength of senior section now?
Senior section around 2000.
And junior section?
And also junior section also, I think altogether 3,800.
4,000.
And here still admissions, they are seeking for admission, but we are supposed to have, as per the CBSE norms, only 40 students per section. A, B, C, D, E. So because of that, we can-
In 8, how many sections are there?
It's E.
E.
All three streams you have in that?
All four streams. PCM, PCP, Commerce, Humanities.
And it became 12 from which year? Earlier it was
Like 2019, 2018, 2018.
28.
Yeah, because 2018 onwards that honor board is there. Class 10 and class 12 honor board. So I guess that 18 would be the first year.
Earlier it was up till 10.
10.
Till 10th only. It's only there. It's becoming when you start from class UKG, nursery, KG, and then class 1, 2, 3.
My sister 18 से पहले हुआ है before 18
ठीक है
मेरी बेटी ने पास किया हुआ है
Pass out है.
And sister,
पास आउट का आई है
sister, we have at least 3 students here who began their journey when the school began its journey in 1968.
68.
Yes. Here the junior
School has
section.
begun the journey in, I have
Before 1968.
in 1960.
67.
Our house. Lower KG, upper KG हमने वहाँ करी. मैं अवश्य भी वहाँ किया.
I am also the
60 कैसे हो गए?
60, yeah, I am sure. 60 Sorry, 60 नहीं. कह रहा हूँ, यहाँ हम लोग आए थे 68 में. 66, 67. 67.
मैं भी आवाज लाउस का हूँ वहीं मेरा एडमिशन किराए पे था
67.
ये
66. 68 में तो यहाँ आए थे ना सेकंड में.
जो भी है किला भी याद है पूरा
Yes. Now we'll move to the stage. Students are also
Yeah.
So
We
you
will first move to that place.
Sure.
चलिए आ जाइए।
Your success is the mirror image of your hard work and dedication that we all can see on your face. We are truly honored all of you to be here, and your presence is a moment of joy, pride and inspiration for all of us, students as well as the teachers. Again, I appreciate your presence here and wish your visit again and again to motivate our young Pacifians. Thank you. Now I hand over the mic to Emmanuel sir for the next segment of the program.
It is a great part of welcome which is given to me by our sister. And really today is the day of great happiness and joy for our school, for each and everyone. That today we have the great alumni of our school, batch 1977, as Jyoti ma'am said. They are about 40 years old batch. I like to welcome all of you as you are in our midst. Now I request Fatma sir and Nasreen ma'am to felicitate our guests by giving them flowers. Fatma sir, please give them a big hand. More children, more. Very good afternoon to all of you. I am Rajiv Saxena. I belong to ETA, born and brought up in ETA. My home was in Aurora, and I studied in this esteemed school from 1970 to 77. And what a wonderful journey had been in this school. And I can tell you, students, this is the launching pad for achieving great aspirations, great ambitions which you set your eyes upon. Nothing is impossible. Aim high, reach high, and with hard work and discipline, you can achieve anything. Amongst our batch of 8 who are present here, there are 2 businessmen who are settled in ETA, 1 professor in Merit University. There are 2 who made it to IITs, IIT Dhanbad and IIT BHU. So 1 IAS from our batch, lady, and Pawan, Abhay, he has a very successful career in IFCO. Yeah. Okay. So we have Ajay Rathore. He is from Merit. Vino Gupta from Jaipur. Yeah, she is Allah Khana. He was RBI, Reserve Bank of India, General Manager. And Sandeep Goyal, he is a businessman in our hometown. And Khurchand, I think everybody knows. And Abhay Pratap worked in IFCO. Pawan Gupta. There is a story behind Pawan Gupta and Pawan Agarwal that will be shared sometime later in the evening. He Right, he is coming from Bombay. Okay, so all the best wishes to you, and we all of us wish a very successful life, meaningful life, with your dedication and determination. Yes, there are distractions in your generation, we understand that, because we have grown up children, and I think they are settled now. Many of us have grandchildren as well. So there are distractions right now, but you have to somehow focus and achieve all of the dreams which you have set your eyes upon. Thank you.
Principal, Sister Jenny, members of the staff, my colleagues whom I am meeting after more than 45 years, and very, very dear students. We have just been to the junior section of the school where we actually studied, and those were very, very heartwarming moments because we could visit our old classrooms, the prayer room, and each place had so many memories coming back to our minds. But we are very happy to be here also in the senior section because now the classes in which we studied 6th, 7th, 8th, I understand that they are being held here in this campus. So it is a kind of an extension of those memories for us. Very happy to be here in this new campus which has been built so beautifully. It's very nice to see that the school has grown so much. In our times we had just about 200 or maybe 250 students. That was the total strength of the school. But now the school has grown so much. We are told that there are nearly 4,000 students in both the sections. So that speaks that the kind of quality education that school is imparting. And as far as our journey is concerned, the entire batch has done well, whether people were doing business or they were in service, but I think all of us have done well in life. And now all of us, except for Kuchan, everybody is in the retirement mode. And I think that is one of the reasons why we could gather here, because during our service careers it was impossible to find time. That was about us, but what about you, the future generations of this country? So we are very hopeful that you will do well in life, because the school is imparting such good values and good education to you. All I can say is that whatever you dream of, whatever is your goal, work hard towards it. There has to be a focus in life. You cannot have an approach where you are thinking about this and that, many other things. So if you have a goal, work towards it with all your might. And hard work always pays. It always results in success. Many of us think that we are not so bright, but ultimately I can tell you it is not what brightness or what sharpness matters. It is your dedication and your hard work which matters and which brings success and laurels to you. So do well in life. Also enjoy your life. Participate in extracurricular activities, because for a rounded personality it is very important when you participate in drama, music, sports, whatever activities are being held in the school. So that will make you a better person, a better human being. All the best from all of us. Do well, keep shining. Thank you.
The staff of the school, and my dear children. I think one of the things that we said at our college here, really it was a very overwhelming day for me today, I studied here from LKG to class 8. And then, when we say Eta, it is a small city, not well connected, but you can see that from our batch, the people has done IITs and passed out the IAS have been very successful. So, my advice to the children here is, never think that we are a small town like Eta. Where there is a will, there is a way. Just think of your goal and put all your marbles. And I can guarantee you that you will be able to achieve your goals. How many of you use mobiles? How many of you are on Facebook, Instagram? Please stop it. Please stop it. These are all the distractions. This is not a time to be on the Facebook or the Insta. These are the good technologies and it can be used for the better means. Do not waste your time. Time is very limited and it's very precious. And you will have enough time for all these activities in future. But for now, the only and only goal should be your career, should be your goal, what you want to become. And then see how to achieve those goals. So these are my wishes to you. Work hard and achieve all your ambitions and your dreams. Good luck to all of you. God bless you.
Respected teachers and all my dear friends, good afternoon to all of you. So why do we join the school? Why do we go to school? We go to school to get educated. We go to school to choose a career, choose a profession, and ultimately the ultimate goal of all this is to serve the society at large and also to look after your family and your near and dear ones. So that is the purpose of education, the purpose of making a career, etc., etc. You have already a head start as far as life is concerned because you are studying at SSC convent. So you already have a head start like we had. We studied at SSC convent, which launched us into great careers, and we were generally successful in life. Also, we like to drink. My best wishes to you, as far as the studies are concerned, as far as careers are concerned. See, the point is that there should always be a balance in life. You play, you study, you do other extracurricular activities, and you have a focus. So with the focus in mind, the focus is like you would have heard the story of Arjuna, while he had to attempt to hit the eye of the fish. So you should have a goal, but that does not mean that you leave everything else. You have a goal along with other co-curricular activities, sports, etc., etc. Have a well-rounded personality, because a well-rounded personality would help you definitely in life. So from all of us here, all the best wishes to you, and do better. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great matter of happiness, honor, and pride. I stand here in front of the 4th batch of Assisi Convent School, 1977. So let's give a huge round of applause for all the senior citizens sitting here. So we are very proud of you, dear ones, that you have completed till now and looking young at heart and very physically also they are very young, right? For you may be like 45 or 46 batch or 48 batch. They are 4th batch. And see the difference and how nicely they look, how beautiful they look, how handsome they look, right? Very tradition that they carried on, they are imparting the students for the younger generation. So what the sir, what the senior brothers you could say, what did they say if you, yes students, and I give you the chance to speak, right? Yes. If you inculcate all these points what they said, you will be the best version of yourself. And that way you would make the world the better place to live in. Right? And many of you wanted to become what you want to become, you want to focus on. Right? If you want to fulfill your dreams, you want to focus on without hard work, and everybody said, without hard work, persistence, perseverance, and consistency in that, you are not going to crown the success of glory and honor. So let's put our hands together once again for the 1977 batch. So thank you so much for coming here and inspiring our young ones. And I hope one day they will also shine like you people. Yes, yes, thank you so much. There is a good news for class 8. Only for class 8. But they are going to sponsor the academic year, first, second, third. This is only for class 8. Class 8, the present class 8, the academic year, if you are going to score first rank, second rank, third rank, you will be awarded a cash prize. And they are going to offer 1,00,000.4 to our school. So give a huge round of applause for them. Yes. So every year we will continue. Now this year onwards. So try to get the best score as much as you could. Yes? Yes, students? Yes.
When I was in the conversation stage with the sister Jenny, she promised that she will get the student when we reach to the college campus. And we are thankful to her for doing so. One thing which is much more necessary for the youngest, that you should come regularly to the schools, whatever the learnings, whatever the teachings you get here, it should be, whatever the work is allotted to you, it should be done on the same day. Because you can achieve whatever in your life only when you are regular in your studies. First thing. One thing is more that only studies do not make you fit in your life. You have to be a sportsman. You should take part in the sports also. You might be taking part also. Who is the champion of the badminton in the college? Is there anyone here in the campus? No. Volleyball? There is a basketball also there. Do you play the basketball? Standard 8 student or not? You play? So that should be the sports also in your life. You all belongs to the standard, which standard you are? 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, or only of the 8th standard? 6 to 12. You people might be getting the different streams of the subjects, commerce, science, arts, that is the social science. You are interested with the language or not here? पढ़ने का मतलब है आप उस ज्ञान से जो भी कुछ प्राप्त करें, उससे अपना जीवन आप तरीके से अच्छा जी सकते हैं। तो जीवन जीना एक अच्छी तरीके से, चाहे आप नौकरी करें या ना करें, लेकिन आप जीवन जी सकें और एक अच्छे इंसान बन सकें। पढ़ाई से कुछ नहीं है, पढ़कर अच्छे इंसान बनिए, ठीक है? ओके, थैंक्स।
You have in your mind. Anybody?
If you want to ask something, how to achieve success in life, so what the inspiration to be taken, just stand up. Anybody, girls, boys? Let's give a huge round of applause for them.
Good afternoon to all. I am Rajesh Shrestha from class 8. I want to ask a question. In India, which place is written in the Asian World Record? Asian World Record. Which place? Which place is written in Asian World Record in India? Answer is Gurukul. Gurukul in India is written in Asian World Record. Thank you. Good afternoon to all of you. Myself Anshuman Singh from class 8A. I wanted to ask that what is the most important thing to become an IAS officer? Thank you, Bipin. I think IAS or any other exam, there's a lot of competition. So the answer to success is just hard work, and hard work. That's all. Thank you so much, ma'am.
My name is Kavita Chawla from class 16. And my first question is what will you inspired by the education? My first question is what will you inspired by the education?
we have left the school, I would say there would at least be 48 lakh times when we thought that we would want to come to school and interact with all the students. So, a school normally occupies a very large place in anyone's hearts. It definitely in our hearts, the schools occupy a very large space, and we have for like I said 48 years been dreaming to come here and interact and pay our respects and thanks to the teachers who are here. So yes, and I guarantee you, almost all of you would also love to come back to school after you have passed out from school, because the enjoyment and the learning and the opening of mind that happens in school, it never happens after school. So you would also love to come back to school one day, I guarantee you.
Humanities is generally considered given a back seat because generally science students, everybody talks about science with higher marks in IAS, and there were hardly any science subjects, especially engineering subjects, were missing at that point of time during our times. I'm talking about 70s. So I switched over to humanities and found it very interesting. It is again actually science.
Let God, let your light shine before others, so that others may see the good work that you do and give glory and honor to Father who is in heaven. Thank you so much, and best of luck for the future.
Today has not just been a celebration, but a reawakening of possibilities. A reminder that dreams nurtured in this very classroom come one day in this eminent world with this personality. We are deeply honored to have welcomed back our shining stars of our school, alumni who have gone on the and become eminent people of the society, respected across the country for their service, leadership and compassion. Your presence today has filled us with immense pride and, more importantly, with hope. You have shown us that greatness can grow from the very soil of our school, and for that we are grateful beyond the words. As Shakespeare once said, "It is not in the stars to hold your destiny. It is not in the stars to hold your destiny, but in yourselves." Indeed, our guests have proven that with determination and purpose, we can shape our own futures. Today, we thank you all just with pride, but with deep admiration for your service to society, your compassion, your courage, and the inspiration you have left behind for us. Let us once again extend our heartfelt gratitude to our eminent peoples. Thank you for taking the time to return to your roots and for sharing your light with us. You are not just guests, you are the guiding stars, our pride, our heroes, for making this event possible, to our teachers for constantly shaping us, and for every helping hand that worked behind the scenes. To our fellow students, let us take this inspiration from today and move forward with courage. As Shakespeare reminds us, our doubts are traitors. Our doubts are traitors and make us lose the good we often might win by failing to attempt. And finally, let us not just a day to remember, but a day to begin, because as our guests have shown us, no dream is too big if your commitment is strong. Let's once again rise and express our heartfelt gratitude to these noble souls. Thank you, and may we meet again, not just in memory, but in milestones. Thank you.
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे।
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
झिम सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियाँ।
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. अंबर का चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, एक टिम टिम टूटा तारा उठला के गा रहा।
है रात अकेली तन्हा मुझे छू ले आके तू,
जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई आई आई
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
कंटिन्यू सर।
पहले मैं खिला रहा हूँ ना। खाएंगे
सारे रुकते 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 आराम से आराम से।
अरे कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा नहीं होगा। कोई नहीं रहना चाहिए।
छोटा नहीं बड़ा खिलाओ। ओहो कितनी शराफत से खिलाया।
राशन भी हो गया बर्थडे के साथ ही
बच्चों को भेजना है तस्वीर।
वो तो अलग से, वो तो चाइनीज वाला है। बाकी सबके प्लेट में मेरे ये अलग से है, इसमें तो ओनियन है।
हमारे तो सब्जी विदाउट
भाई मैं इतना परेशान हूँ, हम लोग एक साथ ऑस्ट्रेलिया गए। तो मैंने कई लोगों को देखा है ओनियन नहीं खाते, एग खाना है।
जैसे मैं एग खा सकता हूँ